Hi guys, welcome back to Wake Up and Warm Up session 4 with Courtney and Miguel. Thanks for coming back to sing with us. So for this session, we're going to be doing a mix of old and new warm-ups. As usual, like, subscribe, and follow all of our social media pages for more fun content coming up. Alright, so we're going to start with a quick little body and face stretch. So let's do full body today. So let's reach up, and we're going to hold this for 10 seconds, looking up at the sky. Just don't crane your head back too much, just nice and easy. You take some deep breaths as well. Through your nose and out through your mouth. And then we're gonna slowly reach down. You can bend your knees too as you do this to the ground. And you can just hang there. We're gonna do the same thing. Breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. Right, slowly roll back up. All right, let's do some shoulder rolls now. So to the back 5 times. 4, 5. And to the front. And to the back again, because we want to settle that good posture in. 4, 5, perfect. Okay, let's do our massages again. Wake everything up. Little taps. Let's do some lemon and lime today. So lemon, really scrunch everything up, really wake those articulators up. And then lime, everything's really wide. And then lemon again. And then lime. Perfect. Okay, let's do some head exercises and neck exercises. So looking to the right. Let's hold it for 4. 4. And then to the left. Also breathing as you're doing this. So in on 1. And out on 4. And now looking down to the ground and then up to the sky. Up to the sky. And starting from the right, we're going to do some head rolls. And in. Perfect, and then give yourself a little shake, wake everything up. Quick note about posture and breathing. We really want to make sure that we are holding this frame and it's very fit, so shoulders back, nice and relaxed but steady, and also lifting our sternum. Our sternum is our bone that essentially connects our 2 rib cages, and it sits right in front of all of our organs. So we want to make sure that's raised, because we don't want our sternum to raise when we breathe, because that means we're not taking a deep enough breath. We want our diaphragm down here, our muscle, to be the one that's expanding. So remember, so imagine there's a string that's pulling your sternum up so that everything, your chest area is lifted. All right, let's sing. So starting with our non-piano warm-ups, we're gonna do our lip trills, our high to low, low to high, our slides, and then our increasing our range and volume. So let's start with our high to low. And then low to high. Let's do some slides now. And then low to high and back down to low. A quick note about these ones. I tend to have a bad habit of lifting my head and my eyes as I do these lip trills and going from high to low. Try not to do that. Try to keep everything steady and focused and straight. Okay, so let's move on to our lip trills, extending our volume and our range. Make sure you take a nice deep breath through your diaphragm so you can make sure that this exercise and your breath is steady and smooth throughout. All right. Okay, so we're going to move on to our articulator and breathing exercise. We're going to be doing shh, and taking a nice big deep breath in between each exercise. At the end of the 3rd one we do, we're going to hold shh, shh, shh 3 times. All right, let's do it. Third one. Perfect.
So our next exercise is going to be our yaw warm-up. Now when we say yaw, I really want you guys to make sure that you drop your jaw and let all of the sound project out. And it's going to sound like this. Yaw, 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 yaw. Okay. Yaw, 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 yaw. 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 So the next exercise is going to warm up the muscles on our face. We're going to be singing 5 words all on the same note. And it's going to sound like this. Me, me, ma, mo, moo. And I want you guys to move all of the muscles that you need to say all of the different words. Have fun. Me, me, ma, mo, moo. 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 So the next exercise we'll be doing are our descending thirds on Louie. This one's kind of tricky and kind of a tongue twister, but to help you out and to also make sure that all the muscles in your face are working, really try to puff your lips out when you sing Louie. So Louie, 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 Louie. Louie, 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 Louie. Louie, 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 Louie. Louie, 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 Louie. Louie, 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 Louie. Louie, 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 Louie. Louie, 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 Louie. Louie, 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 Louie. Louie, 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 Louie. Louie, 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 Louie. Louie, 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 Louie. So our next exercise is going to be Bella Signora. This is a fun one that a lot of people love, and it's going to sound like this. We're going to go up with an arpeggio and then down with a scale. And when we sing it, I want you guys to make sure you take a deep breath so you can sing the whole thing in one breath. And it's going to sound like this. Bella Signora. Okay, have fun and try your hardest. Bella Signora. Bella Signora. Bella Signora. Bella For our last exercise, we're going to end off with the alphabet warm-up. Remember that it will get faster, but just try your best and have fun with it. All right, let's do it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q,
X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
So that's our warm-up for today, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and be sure to check out our website down below for instructions on how to register for our masterclasses, workshops, and lessons. We have so many exciting things planned, and we hope to see all of you there. Bye!